Hey, how you doing? This is Darren from the Blake's Partner Program, giving you an update with Sendgrid as they are moving towards a new security measures, two-factor authentication, 2FA. So I'm inside of my ClickFunnels account. If I go to the top right side and click Account Settings, this is the page that I will see. What I want to do is go to Email Integrations, SMTP, and once that's been loaded, I want to go to the right side and click on the three dots, Settings. Now, all I need to do is change the username and the password, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. So just going back, I want to show you inside of my email. I have had an email on the 17th of October 2020, an email from Sendgrid. As you can see that this is officially from Sendgrid, so it's at sendgrid.com, and this is talking about the two-factor authentication using API keys and why. You can read through that in your own time. You can watch, pause, and just read through this if you choose to. Anyway, I'm just going to fast forward and just let you know that when you go to sendgrid.com, you will be prompted by making sure that the account that you're logging into, the email address, it's going to ask you, is that the correct email address? You'll say yes. I can't show you this because I've already gone past this screen right now. So once you've said that, it'll be asking you, how do you want to do the two-factor authentication? It's either by text message, for SMS, by your phone, or it will be via an app. Now I chose the phone because that would be the easiest option for me, and I have never heard of the other app. So just use your phone number and then you'll receive a code. Once you receive the code, you can log into your account and then you get into your account and you'll see this page as normal. Now, the username and password used to be in top left-hand side, account details. And once you open that, this is where you would normally get your username and password, which is from here. We cannot be using that anymore because at some point, Sendgrid will stop the connection and it will not allow any emails to go out from your ClickFunnels account. So that's not great when someone is actually making any purchases or if you've got the abandonment cart emails going out. So to get past that, we'll have to be using your email API. And what you want to do is click on Integration Guide on the left-hand side. Ignore this first one which says recommended. You want to go to SMTP Relay, click Choose. And I'll just give it a name. Let me just call it similar to my last one. And I'll just put API-v2. You can call it whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you call it. My first API key name. I'm going to create another one after this video because as you can see, the password is very visible in this video. And as you can see here, we already have this. So that's the SMTP server, smtp.sendgrid.net. And we're already using 587. And this is the new username. So I already have this. I'm going to go to the first tab where I've already pulled up the settings. And it's important that you have all these tabs open in the same way as well, so you can follow through with the video. As you can see that this has already been changed, API key. Okay, so for internal purposes, I've only called it this. So just to make that clear, that is not the username. The username is right here, and that's what they give you. And then the password is this one right here, or this one right here. It's exactly the same thing. So what I'll do is I'll highlight this, copy this, and then I'll head over to the first tab of ClickFunnels, and then I'll select all, delete it, and then I'll just paste it in the new one. And to make sure that that's okay, I'm purposely going to add another character to the end of that password. Okay, so making sure that it's not correct. I want you to see this. You see there's an error. So what I'll do is I'll paste in the correct password again. So you get to see the correct message. Now, I'm going to go back in Sendgrid. Yes, I've updated these settings. Next, verify my integration. Verify integration. This may not save because I haven't saved it. whilst that's happening, I'll wait for the notification so that you get to see the errors with this as well, just so that you're following through with the video to make sure that you're going through in the right process. Okay, so it worked. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and I think this would be a lot faster if I have actually clicked here previously. You can see that they've got the green notification, everything's all good. What this means is that there'll be an email that we sent over to the associated ClickFunnels account email, which is, as you can see, it says one new email. An email has been sent over to show it's verified. So what I wanted to do previously, you know what I said here that I was going to put in the wrong password to show you the enunciation here in red. If you've done this correctly and added the password here, clicked verify and seen the green notification, what you want to do is click Save SMTP integration. It will take you to this screen next. And once that's done, you'll see the success notification top right hand side. Then you will have probably got to this part a lot quicker. Either way, it's showing it's worked. This is all you need to do. And I'm just going to show you this last part. Now, this email already received previously from my previous test. I will be doing this again so that the password does update on my side. So as you can see, this is 9:15 p.m. here, and I'd done this previously at 8:42. If I go into my inbox now and I go to the first email, it will show you that one had just been sent a few moments ago, like 3 minutes ago. As you can see here, 13 minutes past 9, now 16 minutes past 9. So there you go. That's all you need to do. Everything is all good inside of ClickFunnels. You have the success notification on the top right hand side and you're good to go. Anyway, if you ever need anything, I'm always in the group, and enjoy the rest of the program.